comic book fans. It is Batman Day today, so I decided to make a quick trip out to my LCS to see what they were doing for Batman Day. Turns out, not much. They're having a little thing that if you buy they had a couple free Batman books, and then a contest thing, if you buy any Batman graphic novel, current or back issue book, you are put into a contest to win the Nightfall #1 omnibus, which I already have, but so I did pick up a couple of things there, and I went to the LCS and picked up something else. So let's do my LCS and used bookstore haul. So accidentally got two of these. These are the free ones. This is The World. They did have a copy of the actual graphic novel there, but I ordered a copy from Amazon and it was on the way and it's too late to cancel. And then when I got home, I found a thing on my door from the post office, so I missed the delivery of that. And so I have to wait till Monday to pick it up. But I can look at these. Then I have this. So these are the free ones. Then the back issue I got, since I think I had all the trades that I was interested in getting that they had there. So I bought this Batman number 607, Deadshot One Shot, or Deadshot Shot Dead. Okay, and then since I was already there and I saw this Monica Blue, A Werewolf Story, I got the first couple of issues in floppies, and then they just didn't have them anymore, so I was gonna wait to try and pick this up in trade when it came out, and guess what? It's out. Then this was sitting right next to it. So that's gonna be good. That's all I picked up at Bosco's, my LCS. Then, in honor of Batman Day, since I didn't get much Batman, I went down to, again, I think I went through yesterday, went to Tidal Wave and bought Batman Ed Brubaker Run Volume 1 paperback trade. That was only $9.95. So, I've got a lot of stuff to finish reading, especially since I haven't finished all the stuff that I bought a couple days ago, or yesterday, or whenever it was. So, I mean, this, and then 3 or 4 more other stuff. So I'll have a few things to read at work. And that's it. What did you think that I got? What do you think of what I got? Have you read any of them? Let me know. And like, subscribe. Most of all, enjoy your comics.